Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am Bagel, I'm a harpy VTuber and cosplayer. Hello. So before I start, I'm a little sick still. There wasn't a video posted last week and I'm so sorry about that. I got sick after TwitchCon. I'm still a little sick. So if you hear me kind of hoarse, I'm getting through it. So today we'll be reacting to another Hololive song called Holotori Dance, which I was told all the birds from the Hololive group are singing in it. I didn't know there was multiple bird VTubers in Hololive. I'm so excited. I had to react to it. I'm so excited to see it. But I'm excited to see all their models too. I want to see more bird models. So let's hop into it. I'm honestly so excited for this video. Is this already an egg? I love birds. Oh, the little, oh my god, the feather. Okay, there's so many, there's feathers. Is that a tie? What kind of bird is she? Oh wait, is that Kiara? Oh wait, that's Kiara. Okay. Wait, was that also Kiara? Wait, now I gotta, wait, hold up. My sick brain. Okay, it is. Okay. I'm like, that doesn't look like a little phoenix. Is there an owl VTuber too? Are you a penguin? I love her hair. The art style kind of, for some reason, like at least like this model, she reminds me of like a Pokemon trainer for some reason. Oh my god, all the birds. This makes me happy. Oh my god, they have... Wait, someone's a duck. Hold up, someone's a duck. Oh my god, the duck is so cute. This one looks like a Pokemon too. They remind me of Pokemon for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, so there is a little owl one too. Oh, she's really cute. I like her vibe. Like, I like her outfit a lot. This is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Also, her little hair looks like wings. Oh, I love that. Also, she's really cute too. I like her outfit. Like, I think the little skirt almost looks like a like tail feathers or like wing. I like that. I like the bird details. This made me so happy. All right, so that was Holotori Dance. I loved it. It was so cute. I love seeing all the different... And now we need to check out all the bird VTubers. Also, I loved all the like bird-themed lyrics. The entire video made me so happy. Their models were super cute too. I love all the little bird details. I'm happy now. So thank you for recommending this song to me and introducing me to more of the Hololive birds. If you guys have any other videos you want me to check out or recommend, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to check them out. And if you enjoyed your time here, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. I hope you have a great night or day. Goodbye!